Thank you for your interest in these incredible machines. They have supported us in war and peace. Let us remember those heroic crews too. The HAL Tejas is an Indian single-engine, fourth-generation, multi-role light fighter designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency in collaboration with Aircraft Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. It came from the Light Combat Aircraft program, which began in the 1980s to replace India's aging MiG-21 fighters. In 2003, the LCA was officially named Tejas. Tejas has a tailless compound delta wing configuration with a single vertical stabilizer. This provides better high-alpha performance characteristics than conventional wing designs. Its wing root leading edge has a sweep of 50 degrees, the outer wing leading edge has a sweep of 62.5 degrees, and trailing edge has a forward sweep of 4 degrees. It integrates technologies such as relaxed static stability, fly-by-wire flight control system, multi-mode radar, integrated digital avionics system, and composite material structures. It is the smallest and lightest in its class of contemporary supersonic combat aircraft. The Tejas is the second supersonic fighter developed by HAL, after the HAL HF-24 Merit. Production of the Tejas Mark I for the Indian Air Force began in 2016. The IAF plans to procure 324 aircraft in all three variants. The first Tejas IAF unit, number 45 Squadron IAF Flying Daggers, was formed on July 1, 2016, with 2 aircraft. The first batch of 40 Mark I aircraft consists of 16 initial operational clearance standard that were delivered in early 2019. The delivery of the second batch of 16 full operational clearance standard aircraft commenced in late 2019 and led to the formation of the second Tejas Squadron, number 18 Squadron IAF Flying Bullets, in Solar on May 27, 2020. The IAF will also receive 8 Tejas twin-seat trainer aircraft. The next 83 aircraft on order are to be delivered in the upgraded Mark 1A standard. By the time these first 123 are delivered, the Tejas Mark II is expected to be ready for series production by 2025 to 26. Thanks, you have reached the end of the journey. Take care, see you pretty soon. Safe flight.